we had lots of rain, right? Well, this area floods pretty easily. So one of the drills that we need to work on is like when you have a downpour like that and we're at school, we've got to work on a flood drill, okay? So this is what you need to do. What you're going to do is you're going to kind of simulate like you are swimming towards that door because we got to get to higher ground. So what that looks like is go ahead and get on your bellies, kind of angle yourself towards the door. I'm going to go over, this door right here, you don't want to swim outside, that's where the water is. Okay, so I'm going to simulate like I'm swimming over to the door because we're going to try to go to higher ground in the stage. So face the door, that's where you're going. Face the door, and you're going to swim as you're going towards the door, okay? Your way to the door. Okay, if you guys have any questions about that drill and what we would do in that emergency. Aaron? Do what?
What if the water's up this high? Can you just like...
Well, you're going to be able to swim much easier then. If it's that high.
Well,
well, on that one, if it's really high, then you would just kind of high knee, right?
What if it goes?
Well, that's where we got to do that swim. Okay?
And then we gotta go.
Yeah. So that's high ground we have, either there or up the ramp. Okay? All right, any other questions? Zach? I mean, how many tornadoes have we actually had that we still have to practice for? How many fryers, you know? Okay. Good job, everybody. You were amazing. I could tell that you would be safe on a flood if we had a flood. So we're going to go ahead and pass out your tokens. Okay. So let's see here. Zach, come get your green.